Hey traders, back again with another video explaining and analyzing all the major USD pairs. Let's dive straight into it. EURUSD. EURUSD is bullish. As we discussed last week, we were at this zone and we analyzed that it would uh, break above it and give a retest and goes up, and it happened exactly how we wanted. It gave an entry at this resistance. It broke the resistance, became a support, and it gave an entry, beautiful entry. And if we take a trade after green bullish candle, we would have made a good amount of profit. You can say that. And the scenario now is it consolidated here, right? And it gave downside, and it is retesting again in higher time frames. It retesting the resistance again in higher time frames. And I my analysis for the next week would be breaking above this, giving a retest above this, breaking above it, giving a retest and going up. Or the next zone would be, this is the next buying zone, or it would take down this lows, continue down like this to here, to the demand zone, and continue towards upside, and with good bullish candles in 15 minutes and 5 minutes we can enter buys or sells. That is my trading plan for the next week in EURUSD. Let's see what DXY is saying. DXY, last week we discussed it would change its character towards downside, and it did exactly the same. We were retesting here, and DXY would continue going down, which is good for EURUSD. And let's discuss GBPUSD. GBPUSD was continuing its direction towards upside, and we thought of taking buys at the break and retest. It didn't give any retest over the resistance. We waited for the we waited for some consolidation, and it happened here, and we took buys here and made some good profits. And in higher time frame it gave a retest, and we need to take a confirmation of change of character towards the upside or in its direction. So we jump onto the 5 minute or 15 minutes, and we look for change of character. It gave a beautiful change of character here, and and it is a ideal trade if we take a trade here, stop loss being here, and it would be a great trade if anyone take it, are going to go with the trend. And if we see major pullbacks, right? If we see major pullbacks after giving a confirmation here, there is this major pullback in the higher time frame, and the another one is this major pullback, which acts as a support, and it is going beautifully in the direction, and we can enter after the change of character, which happened here exactly, and it retested our A plus zone, A plus zone, and it is continuing towards upside. Let's analyze AUD USD real quick. And in daily time frame, AUD USD is looking bullish. In 4 hours time frame, it is also bullish. It is looking bullish. And we see the trade going to, in which direction AUD USD is going to continue its trend? With my analysis, it is taking a very good support at this level, and if it broke towards the downside, which if it gives a change of characters in the higher time frame to the downside, we are going to take sell side trades following the market structure. Because it didn't broke the major support or major structure in the 4 hours time frame, we are looking to still take buys and continue towards the upside. I am going to personally wait for a change of character towards the upside, and it would be great if it retests this A plus zone, and I am going to take major buys from here. That is my analysis for AUDUSD. NZDUSD. NZDUSD is bullish in daily time frame, and it is continuing its direction towards the upside. NZDUSD in 4 hours time frame is looking bullish, and to continue its trend towards upside, which is buy side. The major structure is this, and the major structure being, it is following the structure like this, but with the news which happened earlier, it broke towards sell side, and this is a major selling zone. So I think it would probably there will be a selling probably from this area, this supply zone, and continue towards downside. Or if there's any if it takes if it takes towards if it takes if bios takes the buying side liquidity and take this structural shifts, it would continue higher highs, it would make higher highs, and it would continue towards the upside. And that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. You are going to make so much of this channel. You can learn from this channel and start your investing and trading journey. Thank you.